Now, don't get me wrong, if you're going to make claims that you're buying stuff from Lamborghini and you're putting it on to increase the price,
sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community. If you like this kind of stuff, guys, please do consider smashing the subscribe button. Every subscriber helps. Give it a like, comment, all that kind of stuff. Hopefully we will be able to get a project car soon. That is the plan in the new year. I don't know when, but by the channel getting bigger, I will be using the funds revenue off this channel to get a project car. On today's episode, we're just going to be covering the Stradman, Tallguy Car Reviews, Dustin Williams, and a few others. Also, guys, hit me up on Instagram. It'll come up at the end of the video, my Instagram handle. If you want to message me on Instagram and chat away to me, you can. If you want me to cover any channels or any topics, you can tag me and stuff, all that kind of stuff. It would be pretty dope if you want to do that. I like chatting to you guys, and that's why I say comment below. And as well, guys, I am moving, so hopefully I can start moving this weekend. It is cold here in Ireland. It's starting to get into the winter. So I'm moving into my sister's new house that she bought. So I'm hoping we'll be able to set up a new kind of background and stuff like that. I haven't even seen the house yet myself. So any suggestions on some wall art, like a canvas like you see on Wish or eBay, one of those canvases you see like a McLaren or Bugatti, drop below, guys, what one you want me to get. Do you want me to get Ferrari or Lamborghini? I'm gonna go start looking this week and maybe order one this week. So let's get into today's video. I'm gonna start off with Tallguy Reviews Cars. I don't follow this guy's channel. I've heard about him, but I think the reason it came up on my feed was because I watched TJ Millionaire doing the reveal of Tallguy Car, or just call him Tallguy, revealing his Aventador that he bought, and it popped up basically about all his videos about his Aventador and stuff like that. And I clicked on his latest video saying he had a part or something like that putting on his Aventador that nobody else has. So I was just intrigued just to see. I clicked on and watched the video and his plans for it. And yeah, I mean, I'm pretty impressed from what he has plans for it. He seems like a pretty cool guy, like, as you know, way he presents. It wouldn't be my go-to. He doesn't look like he'd be my go-to channel, but I like what he's planning to do with the Aventador. I don't know how much he paid for it. I have no idea, but it's white, and he is planning to put on a lot of carbon bits on it. Not too fond of the wheels that he's going to go towards. Well, look, we don't know until they're on it, but so far what I've seen, I'm not too gone on them. But I do like his idea with a lot of the carbon bits he's putting on the car. Carbon and white always goes brilliant. Now, he did say the carbon louvers on the wing he got directly from Lamborghini themselves and got it fitted, and says it'll bring up the bring up the price of the car fitting all these carbon bits. Now, don't get me wrong, if you're going to make claims that you're buying stuff from Lamborghini and you're putting it on to increase the price, for me, if I was going to go down that route, if I was going to be putting down genuine Lamborghini parts, I don't know about you guys, this is just my own opinion here, I would, if I was showing that, I would like to show people, say, look, because I'm sure there is a lot of people like Seaban and who else is there? Vorsteiner, they could very well make these parts, and he's saying it's originally from, all these parts are original from Lamborghini to bring up the price of the car. Now, I don't know, is that true? Somebody comment below and let me know. I'm not too sure if it is, but he hasn't proven that he's directly gotten them from Lamborghini, and that's the one big thing with me is, if you're going to make claims that it's original product, just at least show it, because anybody could say that. You could have got it from Vorstein or Seaban or whoever. You know, because there is companies out there that make those parts, but that's neither here nor there. It's just interesting when he said that. I was like, just, you know, are you going to get more? Are you going to get more money back selling the car by putting all these parts on it than what you paid for them? by being original Lamborghini parts, I'm not too sure, but I will give him this. The rear wing that he picked for this Aventador is absolutely stunning. I love it. It's one of my favourite wings I've ever seen. Now he did say, oh, it's a double wing. No, he's pretty sure nobody else has done this before, yada yada. Sorry, but TJ Hunt has done this. I think he's already done this. He was probably one of the first. So, but I will give him props for picking out the carbon wing. It is sick. I really, really like it. Look, it's a nice spec Aventador. I will keep an eye on his channel to see what way it comes out, see what goes on with it. Just be interesting to see, because I want to see what the wheels look like on it. But comment below if you're a fan of his channel, or if you're not, or do you like his channel, you don't, or do you think he's lying about where you got the parts from or not. It'll just be interesting to hear what you say in the comments below, guys. Who is up next? So we're going to cover Stratman next. The reason covering this is he's released his video from now when I'm recording this about his Bugatti, how much he paid for it and how much his monthly payments are, and what way he went down that route. So he basically, in a nutshell, the car, he bought it for 880,000. That is an absolute steal for Bugatti Veyron. It is the highest mileage Veyron in the world, and that's why he got so cheap, because they are around 1.2 to 1.3 million. I did remember him saying his budget was around 1.3 million anyway, and that's what he was going to be looking at. So obviously he's very lucky to get it for 880,000. His repayments are 4,750 thereabouts, I think, with the bank. And the other thing is he put down $500,000 down payment. So he put down 500,000 down payment, and is financing the 300,000. Now, when you break that down for a guy, I'm pretty sure that Stradman makes around 60 to 70,000 a month. He must. Like, I mean, I'd say he does, right? We'll just give or take. He's making 6,000 to 7,000 a video. One video a week, one video a month is covering his payments for the Bugatti. Like, I would say something if he was financing the full 880,000, or say if the car was 1.3 million and he put down 600,000, then, like, you know, he'd still be able to afford it. I mean, I know, and nearly all his other cars are paid off. The two Aventadors are paid off, the Raptor's paid off, the Ferrari, or the other Ferrari has paid off. A lot of his cars are paid off. So if a lot of his cars are paid off, he's making 60, 70,000 a month. I'm pretty sure he can afford this, no problem. And he'll have that 300 paid off in no time, I'm sure. So it was just interesting to see how much he paid for it in the breakdown. Were you surprised how much he got it for? Or are you surprised like how much he's paying back per month? I can imagine what his insurance is like as well on top of that. So yeah, it's pretty insane. But look, that's what you're going to be paying when you have it's interesting to see if you had a car for 300,000 in the States. You're going to be paying like 4,700 a month thereabouts. Like that's I suppose it's a lot of money to us, but when you're making 60, 70,000 a month, you know, it's like paying a $470 a month payment on a car. So I think that's why I would look at it. But look, fair dues to him. It was an interesting video. Next on the list is going to be Dustin Williams. So Dustin Williams, I've started watching his channel more and more. He has gone away and said he got one of his dream cars, I think. He's after buying, he used to work at the McLaren dealership. Since he was on his channel, he's after buying a McLaren 570S. Unbelievable car. I mean, I've always liked the 570S, but he's after getting in a very dark purple. I love the shape of these 570Ss and the wheels on them. I think the spec is gorgeous. They don't sound great, but look, a downpipe, a tune, maybe exhaust system, fix that. But I will hope he will modify this car. It was just cool to see what spec he got. I've always liked these. I would definitely buy one if I had the money and had the chance, if I was in around that. I think he paid around 120, 130,000 for it, thereabouts. They're quick as hell. And because, you know, but, you know, McLaren guys, comment below. Would you buy one? Would you not? Because of the whole, you know, will they give you issues, and they're pretty expensive to fix. But fair dues to Dustin, like, well aware. I'm glad he got that car, and it was a lovely spec, just that I bring it to your attention. Next on the list, guys, is going to be Hartnett Media. So Hartnett Media have brought out their latest video where R33 400R was being detailed. And once again, these guys blow it out of the park. It came out stunning. It's like a brand new 400R off the production line. It's so sick. I'm just going to show you a quick clip here for you guys just so you can see it. There you go, guys. Check out the video at their channel. I think it's around 3 minutes long or something like that. I just want to give you a quick teaser if you haven't seen it. Definitely worth one watching. The car turns out stunning. I really like R30. I'm not mad about R33s, but I do like them when they're kitted properly. I really love the rears of them. 400R is pretty special and they're pretty rare as well. They're pretty expensive, I think. I'm not too sure the pricing, but I'm pretty sure they're expensive because I've only ever seen two ever in my life when and Skylines were massive over here back in the day in Ireland. So lovely car. Definitely check out the video. It just came out stunning, like brand new as well. Last but not least on this, guys, is going to be Summit Life. Summit Life have released their latest video. They have gone and bought a new supercar. And the supercar they're after buying is a Lamborghini Gallardo, a V10. Fair juice to Fate and Clayton. Very happy for them. Delighted for you guys. Can't wait to see what you do with this one. I hope they do a build on it, but you know it's gonna be hard for them because they're so busy with their business. It's originally black, but it's wrapped in green. The only thing I don't like about this car is the interior is brown and black. I'm not a beigey brown and black person. I really don't like it. I think they're going to leave it like that. If it's with black, that's fine. But I mean, for me, I would get it retrimmed in white and black. That's just me. But again, I can't wait to see what they do with it. It's very interesting. Check out their channel, guys. You want to see the reveal properly, hear the engine. It looks like, oh yeah, and they paid for this car in cash. Like that's well done to pay for the cash. It's an e-gear, it's not a manual, probably way too expensive. It looks like they've tried to buy this in a budget, but it's supposed to be mint condition, and I just hope they do some really cool things with it and be interesting to see what plans going forward they have with it indeed. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks very much if you watched the end. Again, if you like this kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. YouTube algorithm likes this kind of stuff, help the channel grow, and do comment below. I love writing back to you guys, please do. And again, hit me up on Instagram. So until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.